Hey guys, Jules here. This is another quick video. I'm still editing another one currently, but so this is another play that I signaled in my Discord group, and we are already up $3,000 on it. Basically $3,100. It's been another week. I'm very quickly just recording and uploading this video because this is crazy. I'm just finding it's the same stock, Square. You guys remember this last week I uploaded this. This was on March 9th that I bought the contracts, March 15th. If I go to my history, so take a look at this. Expiration date 4/16, and this contract is a 205 call, right? So if I go down to my history on Square, you'll see that I bought two contracts at $10.50, 4/16 expiration date, $205 call. This is real. I just bought this on the 29th, 2 days ago, and you see we're up $3,100. I'm going to sell one of these contracts right now, just to get it out of the way. I'm gonna lock in some profit. So definitely take a look here. I signaled this play when I bought it, when I entered the position, and I do this on my Discord group. So if you want to follow along with some plays, feel free to do so. We're gonna go slightly below the mean price just to get rid of the contract, and it can probably go up more, but I do want to secure some profits. So we're gonna sell to close. It's sold. Boom. Right? Just made some money on that. Guys, so options trading works. This was just another RSI play, Square reversal bounce. If I go to the Square chart again, it's the same thing that I did just the other week, right? So this is the monthly chart. Remember March 8th, March 9th was when I bought the other contracts, and it went all the way up to 251. If you remember my last video, right? Now, for this one, I bought a 205 call. So that means I bought it on the 29th, right? See, this is where it was on the 29th, but let's go down to the history and let's take a look at exactly when I bought it, right? So this is the sell, this is the buy right here, right? So I bought this at 11:40 a.m., right? So let's go to the monthly. Let's look at March 29th, about 11:40, and 205.05. I feel like it went lower than that actually, right? I think it's like right here, for around like 204.90. I feel like it dipped lower, 204.52. I bought the contract here, right? And now 2 days later, it spiked up even higher, so we could have gotten more value off of it, but right? So the thing about options contracts is that after you reach the strike price, which is the strike price is the number that the contract is showing here, right? So Square is the ticker symbol, 205 is the strike price, and this is a call, meaning that I think it's going to go up in value. The share price is going to increase. A put means that I think the share price is going to decrease. But basically, once it reaches the strike price and passes it, there is an in the money price, which I'm going to go over in a future video. Once it passes the in the money price, the profit starts becoming exponential at that point, right? I took this play 2 days ago. We're already up big. I signal this in my Discord, so definitely join the Discord if you're interested in making some money following along with my plays. I'm not a financial advisor. Do so at your own risk. This is just my own opinion and what I do with my own account, so you don't have to follow me. And I'm already editing and working on another video for the beginner basics of the stock market. So yeah guys, this is a very quick update video. I just want it because this is insane, and I just wanted to show you guys what I've been doing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this update, give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider joining the Discord, and if you use my link for getting started on Robinhood, we both get one free stock. So definitely consider using my link. It is also in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'll have another video up this week explaining more basics to the beginners to help you get started. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all next time.